In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable call waiting on iPhone. To enable call waiting on iPhone, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, you go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings on my iPhone. So once you go to the settings on your iPhone, the next thing you want to do, you want to scroll all the way down. So once you scroll all the way down, you want to tap on apps. So once you tap on apps, I want you to check the upper side. You're going to see a search box, empty search box over there. I want you to tap on that search box. So I want you to type in phone in that search box, phone. So it's going to bring out the phone icon for you. I want you to tap on that phone icon. So once you tap on it, it will take you to another page. So on this page, what you want to do, you want to scroll the way down. Once you scroll the way down, you are going to see call waiting. What you just want to do, you want to tap on that call waiting. So once you tap on that call waiting, it's going to take you to another page, which is the final page. So on this page, you can see my call waiting is off. So to turn this on, you just want to tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will turn to green. Once it turns to green, that means you have successfully activated the call waiting for your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually enable or activate call waiting on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.